Welcome back everyone to the channel for another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you the 2021 Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Giulia, along with the new trim level coming for the Stelvio. So there it is. For 2021, Alfa Romeo will introduce the new Veloce Ti to the Stelvio lineup for the first time. With a wide range of equipment and cutting-edge technology as standard, its styling invokes the Quadrifoglio version, highlighting the performance and dynamics of this SUV, now with new and more efficient engines in line with the Euro 6D final regulations. The Veloce Ti features a new rear bumper with specific diffuser, body-coloured body kit and optional new 21-inch 5-hole alloy wheels with a dark finish, making their debut here before they become available on the other trim levels. The interior echoes the Quadrifoglio version with aluminium gearshift pedals, sporty seats in leather and Alcantara, black handling and real carbon fibre accents. Dark tones are also featured in the window surroundings, tinted windows and exterior badging. The Stelvio Veloce Ti comes fitted with the 280 horsepower 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission and the Q4 all-wheel drive. Its 4 cylinders are built entirely of aluminium with a carbon fibre drive shaft. There are also 7 new features to the 2021 Stelvio and Giulia, which I've included in the description below. Pricing is still yet to be released, but it sure does look like an exciting time for Alfa Romeo in 2021. For more videos just like this one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.